Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Monday and marks the beginning of a new week. So before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals for the entire week. And looking at the week, you can see that today being Monday, we have USD bank holiday and also Canadian bank holiday. So today there's not going to be any trade. As you all know, we don't trade on bank holidays. So tomorrow being Tuesday, Tuesday, Fed Chair Paul speaks at 4:20 p.m. That is the fundamental we have tomorrow. We have tomorrow on Tuesday. On Wednesday, Empire State Manufacturing Index at 12:30, and we don't know how it's going to be. It's actually a medium impact. On Thursday, is CPI, but it is still tentative whether it's going to be postponed, just like NFP and the rest. All right. And Friday, no news. All right. So these are the fundamentals we have. So let's go to the chart. This was actually my expectation for the market to push, but as the market opened, it just spiked to the upside like that. So let me clear everything. Let me clear everything and let's go to weekly. Now, if you look at weekly chart, you can see nothing will tell you gold is going down. Nothing. Because gold is still strong bullish. As you can see how last week's candle closed. So this is the closure. And as you can see, when the market opened, it has made some push already. How far can this push go? Time will tell. All right. Now let's go to daily. And if we go to daily, this is daily. You can see daily also closed strong bullish after it tested this level, closed strong bullish. All right. Yes, but we have this area too. So the question is gold going to respect here and drops again, or it's going to break and continue on pushing highs? This one, we cannot say anything. It is only time that will tell. All right. So let's go to H4 and look at what is happening in H4. If you look at H4 clearly, you can see that the market is actually trying to respect the resistance. And if it does respect the resistance, then there is a possibility for it to drop to where I'm actually waiting for the buy. So I'm waiting to buy from this area at 39.88. There is where I am waiting to buy from. Right. So if you look at H12, you can see H1 having a nice zone at that same area. Yeah, so this is where I want to see gold coming to so that I can take the buy from there. And since it has touched, this is a first touch, second touch, third touch. So if it drops and the markets come here for us to get a buy and it gets back to the resistance, there is a possibility, high chance of it failing to create a new high. That is if this resistance will actually hold. All right. If the resistance is actually going to hold, then we are going to have that kind of a drop for a push to the upside. So this is what I was actually waiting to see, that the market will push just like this. This was my expectation. But looking at the market, you can see it might not happen. And also one reason why I'm saying it might not happen is that you can see that the H1 has closed bullish and engulfing above 1-2 candles. So the market is likely to push more in the upside. So this might not happen. But of course, if it does, then that is what I will look for and trade. All right. So, and since today is also bank holiday, it means we are not going to trade. So I will just sit back and I will see the outcome tomorrow. All right. And if tomorrow it breaks and flies, then it means we are going to be looking for buying opportunity. If it comes here, so whatever happens, we are going to see it by tomorrow. All right. So just sit back, relax, and watch. This is PiP Hunter here, and the PiP must pay. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. And until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.